Hello guys, this is your favorite boy, the General. I'm an ambassador for love. All I do is go around looking for good people to bless and thank them for being good. So I want you guys to join me on this journey where we look for that man or woman who has a kind heart. I will tell them thank you with 100,000 naira. So are you guys ready? Let's go. Okay guys, here is my final look. So let's go reward that good man or that good woman today. So stay tuned. Let's go. I just stay by soft chop. Huh?
30, 50, no money, anybody know the thing. Now 15 naira.
15 naira.
Now first they give.
Oh, okay, man.
Yeah,
I'll manage them.
yeah, give you.
Oh, okay. Yes, I'll manage them. Thank you, man. Mommy, thank you so much. God bless you. This is on job. Thank you, man. Mom, wait till be the name. Mommy, now my car be that. Yes, I know nothing to me, mommy. I just dey pretend like say I dey hungry. I want see person wey dey good. Mommy, you dey beg, you no get money, but you need to get the carry give your pikin. Take mommy. Now me go give you money. Thank you so much for being sweet I guess for you. Mommy, thank you. This is one. Mommy, thank you for being good. Thank you so much, mommy. Thank you. I just come to see whether you go fit give me from the little way you get and you share the 15 naira, the only money way you get, you carry give your pikin make e chop. And God go bless you, mommy. Okay, mama. I love you so much. Carry the house. I love you so much. Yeah, I stand to me come up for here. Yeah? Yeah, come up for here. You will come up for here, Abi. Is they good, Abi? Mom, what is the name? Fatima. Very good, mama. I love you. Yeah? Mommy, love is the greatest. Yeah? Who will continue to be too good. Okay? Thank you so much. High five. I love you, mama. It's okay. Ma, come up for here. Cool down the gather. Hope say you did good if you come out on your own. Thank you so much. Bye. Oh my God, there. No worries. Guys, like I will always say, kindness is in the heart and not in the pocket. You all went through this journey with me and you saw what that old woman did. With the little she had, she shared with me. Please, I want to beg all of us to continue being good, because we are all we have in this world. And don't you all forget, love is the greatest gift to mankind. Don't stop believing. My name is the General.